Do you know, yes, you, beginner, fashion student, apprentice, fashion designer, that it is important to know and have these essential sewing tools, materials, and equipment to avoid frustration in your craft and sewing projects? Hi, I'm Victoria Mensah. I share tips, tricks, and tools to make your sewing and craft making journey easier. First on the list is sewing threads. It's the fundamental element for creating decorative stitches, joining pieces of fabrics together, fixing buttons, and forming seams. They come in variety of designs, colors, and sizes. The next on my list is sewing needles. We have sewing machine needle and hand sewing needles. With a sewing machine needle, its eye is located closely to the tip and is designed for the use of sewing machines, whilst hand needles come in handy. Its eye is located closely to the bottom and is used for manual stitching, finishing, and detail works. You will need measuring tape, also known as tape measure. It's the best friend of every fashion designer, trust me. It aids us in taking body measurements, measuring fabrics, and during pattern making. To maximize its use, you have to know how to read it effectively. I have a video on how to do that, so I'll leave the link in the description box below. Kindly go and watch. Another essential tool you have to have is French curves and rulers. They are drafting tools made from clear plastic, woods, or metal. They are usually used during pattern drafting. They help you to draw smooth organic lines and curves that are difficult to create using freehand. Pattern papers. You need pattern papers because they serve as a blueprint or templates that would help you to cut your fabrics to construct a garment. We have them in different colors. We call these ones brown papers, this one's white papers. And see, you can reuse and use them. I have some by this way that I've kept here. Fabrics is the raw material that brings any design to life. We have different types of fabrics such as linen, cotton, silk, satin, brocade, among others. If you want me to treat fabrics as a whole topic on its own, in my subsequent videos, kindly type fabrics in the comment section and I will do so. Fabric chalks and pens. The primary use of it is to make temporary markings of pattern pieces on fabrics before cutting or stitching. We have the heat erasable ones or the normal ones, or the heat erasable pins. Pins help to hold fabric layers together securely before cutting, after cutting, and during sewing. Scissors. You will need the paper cutting scissors for cutting papers and pattern pieces only, and the fabric cutting scissors for cutting fabrics. You will find this small tool incredibly useful. It is called seam ripper. It is used to rip off unwanted seams and stitches. Mistakes, they say, is inevitable. Even experts do mistake. In as much as most fashion designers hate the word unpick, we still need it because it's a lifesaver. Another important tool you need is an iron. We have domestic, steam, and industrial irons. Irons help remove creases from fabrics and garments, and it's important to press as you sew to keep your seams flat and to help you achieve great and professional look. The last but not the least is the sewing machines. It's undeniably an important sewing equipment. It helps complete tasks on time because of its efficiency. We have the hand sewing machine, electric sewing machine, and industrial sewing machine. If this video was helpful, kindly subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you in my next video. Bye.